And again, remember the fundamentals. I'm not gonna try to get girls to the table. No, I'm gonna try to get girls to the table. I'm going to get girls to the table. The way you speak is extremely important. If you speak, is there ever a shred of doubt in the way I talk? Do I say, I'm gonna try to teach you guys to pick up girls? Or I'm like, no, look, I'm gonna teach you how to change your fucking life. Like there's so much certainty. I manifest reality through my speech, through being certain. Do you understand? Because you're telling yourself. You're not telling me, bro. You're telling yourself, okay? So say, I'm going to get girls to the table in a way that's very certain and confident. Do you understand? Not trying. Trying's for pussies. Okay, win. Do you understand? All right, so, do you ever watch 20, yeah, what's up?
So you know how you, talking about like making out with girls, kissing girls
Yeah.
like at the club, right?
How about this? Look at her and be like, I like you. Do you like me? She's like, yeah, I like you. I think you're sexy. Do you think I'm sexy? And she'll be like, yeah. And then you say, can I kiss you? She's like, kiss my cheek. I'm like, cool. Cheek. Clint did this with my girl last night. Cheek, mwah, 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 mwah. Be like, cheek, and the middle cheek, mwah. You kiss, boom, done. Magic. Or, if that doesn't work, ultimate way to make out girls without it being awkward is like when you're leaving, just be like, goodbye kiss, goodbye kiss. And a lot of times girls will just grab your face and make out with you. A lot of times they're nervous to kiss you. It's just so much tension. It's an anxiety-inducing experience, right? I used to be so good at this. What other ways you can do like instant makeouts and kisses, Matt?
The way I do it is I whisper in her ear. I would like.
Yeah, you're just talking to her. You'd be like, let's hear it. Yours here.
All around her face.
Yeah. Like it's like her.
What I would do is
hey.
I would whisper in one ear and I would whisper in the other ear and I would go back and forth and my lips were just like grazing her whole face.
Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, I would do it.
Michael, what are some ways you can make out girls?
So what I do.
I like the goodbye kiss thing. It works really well.
Yeah. So what I do is like I'll put their hand on my chest and like it slowly like their hand like slowly goes up, right, on my chest, and then they just like want to come closer to me and like they want to kiss me. That usually works, but then I tell them like, hey, I want to show you a secret, then I start kissing their neck.
Yeah, I want to show you a secret. Dude, what the fuck? That is so weird that you know that because I used to do that all the time back in the day. I used to tell girls, I want to show you a surprise. I take them to my room, just pull, I want to show you a surprise. Take them to my room, shut the door, start kissing their neck. You know what I mean? Or I want to show you a secret. And they're like, what's the secret? And then start making out their neck. You know what I mean?
Beyond kissing their neck, like I do some other stuff. And
Kissing their neck is better than making out with them because it gets girls horny. Yeah, sometimes, but not actually, but like a light neck, like a nibble. Like, Clint, what are some ways you make out girls?
I like the 1, 2, 3 method.
Like, mwah, 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 mwah.
Yeah, and I say 1, 2, 3.
Clint, I used to do that shit when I was 18, and it's like a lot of times in game, you'll like forget things that worked. Cause like you change, you mature, you forget these things. And seeing it happen, I'm like, holy shit, I used to do that like 10 years ago. It's fucking awesome, right? Cause then you can re-implement that. You know what I mean? Does it make sense?
And also, I learned this move in salsa where you just take the girl's hand and then you...
Yeah, that one's good.
around your neck.
Or you can spin her around. The other thing is you can spin her around because it causes an emotional spike. You take the girl's hand, spin her circle, and then you go in for a kiss. You spin, and she's emotionally spiked, and you go in for a kiss. Make sense? All right, cool. Guys, stop being pussies. Just make out a fucking girl, dude. It's not that fucking hard.
I just don't want to get beat, dude, and also like.
Okay, I understand that because a lot of this stuff we've learned is like pre-Me Too movement. But again, if she gets uncomfortable, you back off and be like, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to make you uncomfortable. Back off. Like, oh, I thought we were having a moment. This is at nightclubs, guys. And you're not gonna be a retard. You're not gonna walk up to a girl and fucking instant make out there. You're gonna be talking to a girl and then she likes you obviously, and then you verbally escalate. Like I'm really careful. I do a lot of verbal escalation. Like I like you. I think you're hot. Like I did with all the girls yesterday. I'm like, hey, like, do you guys want to have an orgy? Like I straight up asked them, like, do you guys want to have an orgy? And then they said no at first. Right? They're like, oh, I don't know if she's comfortable with that. Oh, I don't know if she's comfortable with that. Oh, she's on her period. And I'm like, no, you're on your period. I just fucked you. You're not on your period. She's like, oh, I'm not? I'm like, no, you're not. like I'm just so certain of my reality that's like, okay, cool. Right? And then I'm like, oh yeah, like Matt's got a really good dick. Like it'd be great. You should fuck Matt. Because I want to fuck right? And I know Matt want to fuck right? Is like they're hot. Right? Like cool, we hit it. Matt, honestly, those girls are such hoes, dude. Dude, let's fuck Clint in the end. Like I just left her in Clint's room. I'm like, kiss Clint. She's like, yeah, well, okay. Wait, oh my God. Fucked. All 4 of us. Michael fucked her first, then I fucked her. Then Matt fucked her last night, and then Clint. Clint, you got third last night, dude. But understand something. It's like I'm not trying to flex on you guys, but like we got that. I'm not trying to say you guys are beta, but like the experienced guys, unexperienced guys, like perceptive alphas, right? It's like, do you understand what I'm saying? When a girl's like in her like sexy phase, she will fuck any dude that she perceives to be a high value guy. You know what I'm saying? And it's funny, I was having like a gangbang back and I was in Australia, a place called Magnetic Island. We were like, me and a bunch of dudes were all running game with this chick. She was actually from Montreal. We were in like this island in the middle of nowhere in Australia, right? And she was super fucking hot. And like she wanted to fuck all of us, pretty obvious. And I was like, I pull up boys aside. I'm like, guys, look, we're all friends here. We don't need to fight with this girl. We all just fucking gangbang her. I think she's down. So I asked her, I'm like, hey, have you had an orgy? And like, I just framed it, right? And she's like, no, that'd be really fun. And so we're all fucking this chick, right? Because everyone there's got game. So my buddy Jesse's got game. My buddy Alfredo, me, like we've all fucked like lots of girls. And then this other dude who's like running game on her all day, right? So her buying temperature was super high, so she was super horny. So we all started gaming this chick. Super fucking degenerate. But like, dude, we're in the middle of an island. There's no bitches. Like, we all want to fuck this chick. She's super hot. So we gamed in this chick, right? And then my buddy Sam walks in. He's only fucked like one girl his whole life. He's like depressed over his ex-girlfriend from 2 years ago. And dude's like 6'7", literally. Jacked. He's not a bad looking guy. He's a really character guy, but his game is just he's just so awkward. And he like sees this going on. And he starts taking his clothes off. He's like, what? Like, surprise. And the girl like literally like has a dick in her mouth. She's like, no. and dude, poor Sam. That was like his hero's journey. Like he needed someone to be the villain so he could become the hero, right? Like he just worked on himself and now he's a fucking G. Now he fucks tons of girls. Like he's traveled around the world. He's a millionaire now. He's retired. Fucking just has a bunch of real estate and just fucks hoes. Raised many years ago, right? So yeah, man. Like sometimes you need those harsh experiences. If you feel like some of these experiences, guys, are harsh, you know, it leads you to those later successes, okay? We've all had that. Matt's had that. I've had that. Michael's had that. Because I know me and Matt, we were like both getting bullied at school. Like I remember it's like 10 years ago, me and Matt would text each other and be like, man, everyone's making fun of us. Like I'm trying to do cold approach. Matt would try to Daygame his high school. Do you remember that? Dude, he would do Daygame, like Daygame random girls in the hallways at high school. Dude, we were just so socially fucking retarded. Like we were so socially fucking dumb, dude.
I think I thought it would get me girls. So.
Yeah, I know. We thought all this dumb shit would get us girls. So we tried all this stuff that didn't work, right? You guys are so lucky. I'm teaching you literally. I don't think you guys understand how lucky you are. I'm teaching you everything you need to overcome your trauma, overcome your approach anxiety, fix your communication. So now you don't have approach anxiety, but now girls actually like you when you talk to them because you're communicating effectively. Pimp out your fashion. Learn how to actually close the deal. All you gotta do is actually go do it now. And then we're teaching you the social media stuff. You know, if you guys get a photo shoot with Matt, you're getting a pussy for the rest of your life. We're taking you literally from beta to alpha, if you follow everything I say. Okay? Do you see the way girls treat me? Do you see how many girls were in our booth last night? Have you guys ever seen that many beautiful women? Ever. In such a small environment, in person? Have you ever, who had the most girls on the table in the entire club? Who had the most girls in the entire club last night? Our table. Who had the hottest girls in the entire club? Us. Michael's like, me. Right? Like, we had the hottest girls, who were the most cooperative and the nicest girls, and the most girls in the entire club at our booth. Do you understand? We did that. Okay, well, I did it, to be honest. You guys didn't carry your weight last night, so today I expect you to carry your weight.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, soul skills, and Daygame for 10 years in 50 plus countries, 6 continents, to thousands of guys in person just like you. And I love teaching guys this stuff, so if you like this video, please make sure to do me a favor and leave a thumbs up on this video. I really do appreciate that. Now, if you want to follow me more closely, you can go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2, and watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always partying with hot girls, doing exclusive events, crazy shit on my daily Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me there. You can see me traveling around the world in real time, doing amazing things, and teaching guys like you in person every day on my Instagram. And you can message me on my Instagram as well, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram and message me there. And if you want to actually call me, you can call me at justinmarc.com. We'll do free consultation calls. You can actually call me and we'll do a free discovery call where we can get you on the right action plan to change your dating life and your social life at justinmarc.com. And if you guys want to dig deeper and watch more of our more exclusive content, go to wingmanpodcast.com and watch our Wingman podcast on Spotify, Apple, and all platforms. And we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. My name is Justin Marc, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out.